Boom, viewers, subscribers, you don't know the deal already. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from me, it's not credible. And you don't know the thing said. I be a yeah, made a sprout out from what area in Jamaica. You see me, I say, and Nikki Chromazz is disagreeing with Mackerel and Dee, but everybody forget a beating by their man. You feel what I'm saying? Also, we're gonna hear from such man because him says I am not a legal immigrant by choice. Anyway, people, I'll bag and I want. Don't forget to like and share from now. But I try to reach broader audience. I need your help in doing so. You see, man, I'm saying it shows your appreciation. Let's get into it. Now, dancehall artist and slash social media influencer Mackerel is receiving a lot of backlash for sticking up for men beating women. Yes, you heard right. If you didn't watch the video of where I might mix up on Things channel, I suggest you do so because it's like Mackerel was saying it's okay for man to beat woman. You know the saying go. If your man not beat you, him not love you. You see me, I say? And that's what she was kind of implying when she was laughing over at Dee. Yes, the two of them, they go live and we do put it on my next page. But it's like she had dragged herself deeper and deeper into the backlash because she said some more things just a little while ago. Let's take a listen.
Listen to me and listen to me good. All of we get man beaten. Man boof back and kick down. All of we as woman. Whether we not wash him clothes, whether we don't want to give him fuck, whether we this, whether we that, all of we man beat we. At the end of the day is who choose to stay and who choose to go. I remember the whole of we not go left for man because we don't want to move from man to man because every man beats woman. Because them thinking of them big head brain, so they have a data right here. Yeah? Man beats all of we as man we love the little blood clots.
And again, she's receiving backlash because she said this and more. Let's take another listen.
Half hour sit down in a house when I get raped back to back.
That's true. Yeah.
And you can't say nothing about it.
Yeah.
And you cannot say anything about it. You understand?
Tomorrow the man fuck with you today and remember on the tomorrow and then not talk about that. Eh?
And then
know people life and people relationship, man. You know every relationship have ups and downs. No relationship is perfect. When the richest and the richest have ups and downs for them relationship. Fight cost everything about it. And not nothing about it. Why? Because when I praise the richest and the richest set of people and a lot of people them life.
Disagree, I say no to domestic violence. Whether verbal or physical. Alright, every female. Say for a minute you're saying, because at the end of the day, let me tell you something.
Again, people, putting out a comment section, what are you thinking about the things that you're hearing coming from these women's mouth? We are not in support of domestic violence, first and foremost, but like I said, we can't believe them cokehead, yeah. And I told people the other day for us leave these people alone because it looked like so them do things for views, All of a sudden, husband never beat her, no, she get pushed on and all of these things that made her use social media platform like WhatsApp to put out her business and she go on like say people search for her business. But anyway, I'm just giving an update while going. You can listen to the full Mackerel live with her on the next page. You see my answer. Okay, let's proceed. Now, dancehall billionaire, bleaching billionaire Nikki Chromers has chimed in on the situation of men beating women. And you know that she take up a lick in a lifetime, but she said she never did take it like that, a lick for lick. So let's take a listen.
I'm always been a black girl. When my white ever said, Nikki, you get white, but you can't tell me get black. I've been black. And my wife said, Nikki, a white man, Nikki, get white. Yeah. It's all my white out for my birthday, but also white when I feel like. Remember, I have the cream, them sit down in a pile, every day. Remember, I met them, remember, them there around me, I use them, I'm ready, I don't need to live a night. Supposed to them, a man wants a white girl, and then he wants a black girl, and then wants a local, look in between girl. I've switched it up. What's your view on what Mackerel said? What Mackerel said, listen, I don't know what I go on social media now. But just come on social media, post my little meme, and go deal with my business there. My mama love my business. I was open my eye a business. Get me, say? see the Danny Boo that for white for me. So Danny Boo chrome and white. Remember Danny Boo the black like me here. Man, I beat them. Not mine. My man don't beat me, my love. The one lick me get the me cut. When I run joke with beat now. Unless he make me lick him back 50 times hotter than his own. That's the only way. But differently from that, I'm not taking none. No man look hot. You know man look quite hot. You think a regular beat you not get? You ever run yet and drop? Or come like a sunny lick them hot? You ever get a lick it and all your body just vibrate, just the whole like just a vibrator go down.
Cha-cha. Anyway. Oh, before I forget, Babylon shut down Idonia birthday party. You see me, I said while Intense was on set and slammed the selector laptop like say, I mash it up. You see me, I said, we put that over on the Boom Bye Bye TV channel because me see a lot of one say, I just mix up where I go on with over here, even though this is a mix-up channel. But we do other type of reviews, as we see that we see did a review for the other day with Jessie. Visa not getting through and all of these things, so the cream of the crap tour cancel upon the Boom Bye Bye chat. No, I'm pretty sure most of you heard about Jessie James, the Jamaican that's on the run in St. Kitts, and he tells his story. I really don't know what's going on, so if you know the full story, put in the comment section and enlighten we. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, we're gonna hear from him, but me still don't know what going on, you know, and not most people don't know what going on either. So if you know the story, put in the comment section. Like I said, a Jamaican national who escaped custody after being held for immigration purposes in St. Kitts and Nevis is adamant that he is not to be blamed for being an illegal immigrant in the Eastern Caribbean Island Federation.
You know, right now a lot of things going on. I'm going to remain calm because I understand the system really, and because of the way I think and how I look on life, you know, I just feel all my life, you know, me have no liberty and all them things that like, me not no right to nothing. And after how we go down throughout the history as black people, you check, it's just kind of sad to see black people kind of don't get the kind of understanding right now, presently, how to deal with their fellow brothers. Because I in a country, despite what going on in my life, I know me have my challenges, you check. But at the end of the day, I have two youth and a lot of things been going on. And all I'm here to do is like, you know, to provide for the youth, them trying to get some documents and everything is straightened out. Even though me in here as a illegal immigrant. But instead of going back to Jamaica where COVID is and crime is, and where I basically, when I was leaving Jamaica, I give away everything I had to my brothers and sisters. You check. I'm trying to find a way out to help myself so that we can better help them in return. You check. And now, to my disappointment, all the years I've been here, I know, like, I feel to submit myself to the system because of the requirements, and also because I have my passport to get caught up in the office of the National Security for a number of years, and they could locate the passport, and it's like I'm the only one who's been blamed, and it's like treated like in and out of GSL constantly, despite what going on in the personal life between me and my baby mother. But at the end of the day, nobody don't take the initiative to look into my view as the protection of my boys, and at the end of the day, I just here to make sure that them have a chance at life, you check. And I know what I'm capable of, and my capabilities is of only good intentions, you check. Because I've never tried to rob nobody, I never tried to kill nobody or anything like that, you check. But if I was in the cell, I get locked up 2 days before my birthday because me and the woman has a dispute and she called the police and one other thing, you check. So the man them come to the base and they respond. Me not go say no, them not do them job, check. At the end of the day, I was behaving a kind of not so pleasing way, check, due to the things that been going on in my like personal life. But at the end on the table to discuss right now, check. Right now, I am more concerned about my safety so that I can either leave the federation without any of these police try to act at me in kind of way. I know this might be disrespectful to them. They might take it disrespectful, but I don't mean any harm like that. I just hope for the best regards we can resolve this. I'm gonna go back to my home country. If there is nothing here for me, it makes sense I go back to my country where I can better hear myself and get my boys back to my country. But the disrespect, the intimidation and all these things, I don't stand for these things, you check. I've been there already. Joey Adams know. And I give people advice. I talk to a lot of youth, I have a lot of youth and saying kids. You understand? So, no matter what, nobody can pay me bad. The only bad anybody about there about me is what's going on in my personal life. And it's just a toxic relationship, that's all. And I can't understand it due to the level of my thinking, and it puzzles me. And I think it's a big challenge for me. And I also have to try to understand myself much because my kids are involved in whatever I'm dealing with right now. So I'm just seeking the public advice, and I'm trying to reach back home safely. So in case I have to return back in St. Kitts soon, I just want the public to know that I'm well-being, nothing to me, I have no mental issues, nothing at all. I'm safe and sound. Love y'all. Bless up. Best regards.
Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.